Veera Wang. Have you ever found yourself wondering which brand of clothes do celebrities wear? Maybe you saw a very fancy suit worn by your favorite actor or actress and you wondered which brand it was. Well, have you ever heard the term designer clothes? If you have, here's the story of one of the pioneer of designer clothes, Veera Wang, and her career transition from a skater to a celebrity designer. She was born in New York City and at the age of 6, she found her first love, figure skating. Her love for figure skating started when she visited the Central Park with her father with a pair of skates to skate on the ice rink. Her interest in skating has increased tremendously with days. She became good at the sport after years of patience and dedication. She went on to win many tournaments and was looked at as a child wonder of skating, which slowly evolved the dreams for Olympics. She practiced day and night for years to participate in Olympics. However, her Olympic dreams could not be fulfilled because she and her partner James Stewart could not qualify for the junior pairs competition at the 1968 US National Championship. She was good at skating but could not get better. She understood her interest is not matching with her current ability. She noticed that as her late teens were passing and she couldn't be a perfect fit for the Olympics, and with younger talent coming up behind her, she decided to give up on Olympics. She started concentrating on her education, and her education made her enter into the fashion world. Her interest in the fashion industry made her learn more about fashion and increase her ability in fashion designing. She was hired as an editorial assistant at Vogue magazine right after she graduated from college. Soon, she was promoted as an editor and became the youngest ever fashion editor. She spent the next 17 years working at Vogue. While writing about fashion, she developed her interest in designing. Instead of writing about designers, she wanted to become one of them. As an editor, her lifestyle was taking a turn for the worse, and the love she had for designing clothes was nowhere to be found. Though she realized she is not happy with her job, she was afraid to take a plunge forward by quitting the job. But later, when she was rejected for the position of editor-in-chief, she resigned from the magazine. Though she is not happy, she at least expected a position which suits her ability. But Vogue could not give it to her, and she finally left Vogue. By the time she left Vogue magazine, her fame had already reached the right years, and she was hired as a design director at the fashion house of Ralph Lauren. She started designing accessories there as she dreamt. Her dream of designing finally came true. Her abilities, interests and values are in line with her current occupation. But this is not the end of her story. While working in Ralph Lauren, she married her boyfriend Arthur Becker. While making a selection for her bridal wear, she was frustrated with the slim selection of existing designs. So she sketched her own design and gave an order to a dressmaker to make the gown she had designed. This wedding gown has turned her career into a whole new dimension. The wedding gown was chosen for a profile in Vogue magazine and was reviewed as completely minimalistic, very architectural and very tailored. This is when she decided to open her own label of bridal designer wears. Her designs are very unique and her popularity has taken an upward surge. She became very famous in Hollywood and today she designs wedding gowns, jewelry, accessories and home products for celebrities. Though she failed to skate in Olympic competitions, she designed costumes for Olympic figure skaters and became a member of the US Figure Skating Hall of Fame as a costume designer. Even when she was doing well in her career by working at Ralph Lauren, her ability in designing made her understand that she can do much more than working for someone. She has taken the risk and left her dream job at Ralph Lauren to set up her own label. She has the talent to set up her own company. Today, she is running $1 billion business with her designs and collections. Wang's story symbolizes a clear indication that choosing the right career is one of the most important decisions that one can make in his or her life. She could have held on to her dream of becoming an Olympic figure skater, but she would have faced failure after failure. She could have stayed in Vogue as it is paying pretty well, but she wouldn't be as happy as she is now. She could have stopped when she got her dream job as a design director at Ralph Lauren, but she wouldn't be as successful as she is today. A choice of making a change and doing something else that she was good at, that made all the difference.